More news coming in. Another wolf attack in Uttar Pradesh's Bairaj. A 5-year-old injured in the wolf attack. The child's neck has been hurt in this particular attack. 4 wolves have been captured. The hunt is on for 2 more. On your screen, the right side of your screen are pictures of the child who's been hurt. It's a late night attack that we're reporting on. These attacks essentially continue in spite of the authorities taking note and also capturing some wolves already. But it is man-animal conflict which has come to the fore in Uttar Pradesh's Bairaj, where wolves continue to attack children particularly and also senior citizens. We've seen several such attacks and also deaths in Bairaj in Uttar Pradesh. On your screen, these are pictures on the right side of wolves essentially being caught on drone cameras. Hunting in packs, these wolves have become extremely dangerous because usually known to attack sheep and livestock, they are now attacking humans. Samarth Srivastava getting in more details. Hunt on for 2 more wolves, essentially Samarth. But here the attacks continue. The latest one of a 5-year-old child who's been grievously injured.
Well, exactly. There's no stop of the attacks by the wolves. As we see, another attack happened around 12 a.m. yesterday in Bairaj. A 5-year-old girl was targeted this time by a wolf. She is currently admitted in the CHC of Bairaj and currently admitted and is under treatment by the doctors. But it's very crucial because PM Yogi Adityanath has given strict instructions and also ordered shoot and sight or options to be seen if the forest department fails to capture the wolves by all other means. So it's going to be worth seeing how the action will continue today by the officials, especially the forest department, as they are using drones and other technologies to capture that particular wolf. Also, they used to place a goat inside the cage to, in a way, lure the particular wolf, but it all failed considerably. But it's going to be worth seeing after another attack has happened yesterday, 12 a.m., where it's going to be worth seeing how the administration, especially the forest department, acts also after the instructions of PM Yogi Adityanath.
All right. Thanking you, Samarth Srivastava, getting us up to speed with those details for the moment. A 2-year-old girl has been killed. 3 others injured as wolves continue to terrorize Uttar Pradesh's Bairaj. The latest attacks took place in spite of officials from the forest department patrolling the area. Hunt is on for 2 wolves who are still on the loose.
पैर से विकलांग है कि सही 2 हैं इधर की तरफ 2 आए हैं
देखा है बहुत करीब से देखा
Man-eater wolves continue to unleash terror in Uttar Pradesh. A 3-year-old child was killed in a wolf attack on Monday while a woman sustained injuries in wolf-infested Bairaj. The toddler was killed in forested Hardi area while she was sleeping outside her house with her mother. A wolf snatched the child by grabbing her by the neck.
You can clearly see a lot of villagers present here as you see the visuals as they have assembled right here, encircled this particular house. So that could be the sense, what's the atmosphere inside this particular house where the scathing attack happened on a 3-year-old girl.
3 बताल में हमरे बच्ची को उठा लिया।
ये आता है तो आप जग रही होती, सो रही होती?
सो ही गए रहने वाले।
तो आप आवाज सुनती हैं बच्ची की?
आवाज ना आए, बच्ची की आवाज ना आए पावा।
बच्ची की आवाज नहीं आती?
बच्ची की आवाज ना आए पाए साहब, बच्ची की आवाज जा पाए हुई तो उठ पड़े। घाटी दाब दे समरे बच्ची की आवाज ना आए पावा।
In another attack, 70-year-old Kamla Devi was injured when a wolf entered her house and attacked her on Monday morning. She escaped with grievous injuries.
भेड़िया चबा लिया मेरी नट्टी।
आपने देखा था भेड़िए को?
बाहर का खींच लाया, एक पल्ला खुल गया, एक बंद रहा। जब भी मेरे को बंशी पर से बाहर खींच लाया, जब उसका मुंह ढीला हो गया, तब हम चिल्लाई पाई।
The wolf came and pushed inside, in a way opening one side of the door and entering inside the house. So that is another concern, that wolves know that they have to target the humans and leaving the animals who are pets as well. They are targeting just the humans.
In the last 50 days, this pack of wolf has killed at least 10, including 9 children. The horror has now spread to 35 villages of Bahraich. UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath meanwhile asked officials to redouble bid to catch the 2 remaining wolves from the pack of 6.
एक बड़ी संख्या हमने पकड़ ली गई, उनमें से करीबन 2 भेड़िया ऐसे हैं जो संभावित हैं कि जो हो सकते हैं। वो मैं उम्मीद कर सकता हूं कि वो अभी 1-2 दिन में ही हम पकड़ लेंगे। जो कैमरे शो कर रहे हैं और जो हमारा स्टाफ बता रहा है वो यही संभावना है। हो सकता है वो 3 भी हो, पर ज्यादा संभावना 2 होने की है।
4 wolves have already been captured. The frequent attacks in the area prompted deployment of a large number of police personnel, securing nearly 100 villages. With Samarth Srivastav in Bahraich, Bureau Report, India Today.